What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today we have an outdoor unboxing. When we unboxed Spetacolore a few months ago at this point probably, I didn't quite like the lighting of the studio, so we decided that for race day we are going to move it outside. So let's go ahead and bust into this case and see what we have. Alright, let's get into it. All right, the Audi, the Porsche, the beautiful Aston Martin, the absolutely gorgeous new casting for the Ford Capri, and finally, we have the second color, I believe, of the Mercedes C-Class touring car. So we will go ahead and get home and take a closer quick look, and I'll give a quick thought on each and every one of these cars. No chase, by the way, if you were wondering. We did not get the chase model, which we got the chase model of Spetacolore, so can't complain too much. Alrighty, welcome back to the studio. Let's go ahead and take these out of their packaging. We'll start with the Porsche. And here it is. And as with most of my unboxings, I'm not really going to give any opinions. I will save those for a review / overlook of if I review this particular release, or if I just do an overlook of the car culture mix as a whole. But here is your K&N Porsche 935. Second, let's do number 2 of 5, the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. This is also this one's first time in premium. And here we have it, your Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Third, let's go ahead and go to the Audi. I think this is the first one of the mix that was actually ever unveiled, or at one of the conventions, maybe the Columbus convention. But let's go ahead and take a look at this one. And here is your Audi R8 LMS. This is the 3rd or 4th time this casting's been in premium, I believe. It also did the ID, but the premium version is, in my opinion, much better. Fourth, we are going to do the Mercedes-AMG C-Class, the DTM car. What is the second release for this casting? Updated from totally new casting to the old C-Class casting. Much, much better as well. Let's get it out of its package. And here we have it. Second release for this casting. First release actually was phenomenal. The deco on that was absolutely amazing. I will keep all opinions of this one under wraps until the Instagram post, of course. And finally, the last one we will unbox is the Ford Capri Group 5. This is an all-new casting, and that's why I saved it for last, because new castings always excite me the most. Let's get it unboxed. And your Ford Capri Group 5, all out of its little plastic and cardboard prison, ready to meet the world. So, this is the only new casting of the set. I think they probably could have given a second. We will do a full kind of overview / review of the set as a whole. But that is Race Day Unboxed, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.